All right, kids, you have about 20 minutes of independent writing today. That's not very long. One thing that I would like to know about you is what do you see for yourself as a writer this year? What are goals that you have for yourself as a writer this school year? So, one of the things that I'd like for you to do is click into the writing folder and go to Thursday Writing, three goals. You click in. The instructions are to answer this question. What are three goals you have for yourself in writing this year? The audio recording here is just me reading this exact thing to you. And you post in three different things. You might write like a one period and write your first goal here. Um, I would like to get better at spelling. That might not be your goal, or it might be your goal. Um, and then and then two, and so on and so forth until you get to number three. And you can add more if you'd like to. But think about three goals that you have for improvement as a writer in third grade. Post them here and use whatever time you have left to make sure that you are either adding on to a story you've already written or you're writing a new story all the way up until the lunch period begins. All right, good luck. Do your best. Be creative, have fun, and you are awesome.